Well, Grand Rising Tribe, I'm sitting right here in the truck at Carolina Bay Nature Preserve. Just pulled up, and y'all, my body and soul has been feeling the load from this past week. And maybe yours has too. So before we get out, let's go ahead and ground in John 14. Okay, so I'm going to say this like one of my favorite creators, Yekeithia Green. If y'all get a chance, go ahead and check out her channel. She's always got a good word to share. But she always says, this is a no judgment zone, because I do have to look down to read. So Yekeithia, I thought of you on this one. This is a no judgment zone. I do have to look down to read. So John 14, this is the New King James Version. And it's telling us the way, the truth, and the life. And it says, starting with 14, let not your heart be troubled. You believe in God. Believe also in me. In my Father's house are many mansions. If it were not so, I would have told you. I go to prepare a place for you. And if I go and prepare a place for you, I will come again and receive you unto myself, that where I am, there you may be also. And where I go, you know the way. And the way, and where I go, you know, and the way you know. Thomas said to him, Lord, we do not know where you are going, and how can we know the way? And then Jesus said to him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. The way, the derrick, the path. Let's go find that place that Jesus prepared for us. You heard him say, let not your heart be troubled. But if you're like me, sometimes your heart feels troubled anyway. Your mind knows the word, but your body is still reacting to those fiery darts. It's because your body remembers things your mind is trying to forget. In the Hebrew, we look at the gid, the sinew, and the nerves. Science calls it allostatic load. It's the physiological cost of staying in a fight or flight state for too long. Your body is fearfully and wonderfully made, but it wasn't designed to carry the weight of 1,000 battles at once. It was designed to abide.
There's babies, baby geese.
It will be health to your flesh and strength to your bones. When we turn toward Yeshua, we aren't just thinking happy thoughts. We are literally sending a cease and desist order to the stress hormones in our bones. As we look at these trees and the still water, I want you to think about the chord of your own life. In the Hebrew, the word is gid. It refers to the tendons, the veins, and the nerves. It is the literal wiring of your body. Ancient wisdom knew that our spiritual state is physically woven into these nerves. When we say we feel afraid or on edge, right? We aren't just using metaphors. We are describing the state of our gid.
They saw me. Okay, I'm out. I'm out, Mom and Dad. I am not going to disturb you or your babies. Okay. I got some squirrels talking to each other.
Science calls the wear and tear on these nerves the allostatic load, right? So think of it like the structural stress on a bridge. A bridge is designed to carry weight, but it isn't designed to hold a traffic jam for 10 years straight without maintenance, right? So, chronic stress, the family friction, the financial weight, those fiery darts, it keeps your body in a state of high alert, right? So your adrenal glands are pumping, your heart rate is elevated, and your body is literally paying a tax.
I thought they would talk to me.
Tax in the form of inflammation and exhaustion, sickness. You weren't designed to carry 1,000 battles all at once. You were designed to be a temple, not a fortress under constant siege. This is where the blueprint gets beautiful. Proverbs 3:8 says that turning away from evil and toward the Creator will be health to your flesh and strength to your bones. Why the bones? Because your bone marrow is where your blood is born. It's the deepest part of your physical structure. When you stay in fight or flight, your body actually pulls resources away from your bones to fuel your fight. But when you turn toward Yeshua, you are sending that cease and desist order to those stress hormones. You're telling your marrow it's safe to produce life again. Look at the water here at Carolina Bay Nature Preserve. It ain't struggling to be still. It simply just reflects what is above. Your nerves, your gid, were designed to reflect that palace garden of the Father's house, not the jungle of the world's chaos. You aren't just thinking happy thoughts. You are architecting a new physical reality. You're teaching your body that the war is over and the Prince of Peace is on the throne. And I want to show you what it looks like to authorize that rest right now. We talked about the gid, the nerves, and how they carry the weight of the world's jungle in the truck. But then remember what we read. Jesus said, "Let not your heart be troubled." That's a structural command. It means you have the authority to tell your heart to change its rhythm. Protect your toroidal field. Then, by doing that, you send that good, positive energy out all around you. Now, let's do a blueprint check on our breathing. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. This is your foundation check. Most of us, when we're under that allostatic load, we breathe from the top of our chest. Short, shallow, panic breaths. That tells your body the lion is still chasing you. I want you to breathe in through your nose for 4 counts. Feel your belly expand like a garden growing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold it. Hold it at the top for just a second. Feel that fullness. Now exhale slowly through your mouth like you're breathing out through a straw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And do that again. And as you exhale, you are literally signaling your nervous system to stand down. You're telling your bones it's safe to be healthy. While you keep that rhythm, I want you to gently tilt your head to the right, looking toward the sky. feel that stretch in the side of your neck? This is where your vagus nerve, the king of the gid, travels. So by relaxing these muscles, you're physically resetting the alarm system in the brain. Whisper to yourself right now, I am safe. I'm authorized to rest. My body belongs to the Prince of Peace. Can you feel that weight in your shoulders starting to drop? That's the many mansions that Jesus promised. You're standing in one of them right now.
You just gonna walk the whole trail with me? I see this little robin. Just been staying right in front of me. Okay, I'm coming. All right.
I want you to realize that your heart is doing more than just pumping blood. It is creating a toroidal field, a literal shield of energy that surrounds your body, several feet in every direction. It's true. And when you occupy your authority and tell your heart, be still, you're clearing the static out of that field. You're making it strong. By protecting your own peace, you aren't being selfish. You're sending out a frequency of restoration to everyone around you. You're literally changing the atmosphere of the jungle just by standing in it. I want you to realize that this right here is not just meditation. This is identity architecture.
Still right there. Okay, let's go.
You're rebuilding your temple. You're reminding your body that it doesn't have to remember the hurt more than it remembers the healer. Stay in this breath for a moment while we look at this water together one last time.
Ooh, I thought that was a spider. You have a place prepared for you. And it's not just in the future. It's right here in your breath. So fly free, precious one. And until next time, dear friends, I'm sending you peace, love, and blessings.